What's up, everybody? This is JS Lone Xbox. I'm doing a little vlog for right now. I was fixing my truck. I got my little handy dandy assistant that's trying to kick me. But that is Kelsey DeGraff. She has her own YouTube channel if you want to follow her. But what I had to do is I had to take this off for no interference, because that's the negatives, and we're replacing my starter. As you can see, she's down right there, but we're gonna go down there right now to see it. As she's getting dirt in her face.
I know.
As of right now, she's taking off the last part of the screws.
Yep.
And we're gonna take off the alternator. Now I'm gonna put us down, this phone down somewhere where we can see this.
As you can tell, this car is really dirty.
Yes, that is completely true. So be sure that the phone can see that. I'm gonna get underneath here.
Hey, Booger Man.
Yes.
Is there something supposed to be leaking down here?
Oh, right.
Right here.
It doesn't really matter. I think it's part of the oil or the engine stage from freaking before.
This bolt's almost off.
Okay. Is that your second or third?
It's the middle one.
The middle one?
Yeah, so I think it's the second.
Second one?
Ah!
Don't do that.
See what? Drop it on my face?
Yeah.
I caught it. No worries. Why are you turning the wheels?
So I can get in there.
What was that noise?
That's my key.
Oh. Doesn't sound like no key.
That was the key in the ignition. Fine.
Putting grease on the nose.
She's getting grease on my nose.
His face is like you're putting him, like you're just grabbing some of the oil on his face and just rubbing it on it.
Yeah, whatever. I'll probably have to share this video with you so you can put it on your channel if you want to.
Yeah. My vlog.
Yeah, your vlog, your little daily vlog.
Not daily.
Okay, monthly vlog. Or family vlog. Whatever it were.
My vlog.
You know what? Here, I got one for you.
What? Ah, no. No. Stop it. God.
I was trying to get her back, but you know what? That wasn't going to work out.
No.
So, if you guys like this video of us freaking getting each other dirty with grease, click that thumbs up and subscribe.
Press the bell so you can see every video he posts. So you know when he posts and you can watch him straight away. Comment down below how good this car looks.
It looks like crap.
Is that good enough?
You should be able to take this off now.
bolt?
Take the ratchet off of the socket, the thing, and then you should be able to unscrew it with your finger.
Yeah. This might take a while.
Oh yeah, there's such thing as fast forward on on video editing. So
Yeah, and I know all about that.
So all this little small talk right now is probably gonna help us out a lot. Yeah, it's like try saying like freaking. We put grease on his nose, really, so it makes it look like he rubbed his nose, you know, or picking his nose, and he's like, he'd be like.
Yeah, I'm not gonna get anything. How do you like my armpit so far?
Smells like flowers. Ah, yummy. Get the smaller socket.
This is a smaller socket.
This is a deep socket. There's another socket that's over by your face over there. Put that in without the extension. And then get the ratchet without the extension and put the ratchet on top of
no extension. You just say no extension.
There you go. Oh my god. Press the like button if you like that.
Well, you saw.
I want oil spill all over your face. No.
Oh god, no.
I'm kidding.
Dude, it would just pour onto my shirt because my face is way over here.
Yeah, but you got, so it'll drip down to your face.
How?
Your chest, and
Dude, I'll just lift up like this, and it'll crawl right out.
And then it'll fall all over me. Yeah, great, thank you.
Dude, I'll have to take a few hour shower, and then, and I'm also doing the laundry, so I'm gonna have to stop the laundry.
No, you don't have to stop the laundry when we're taking a shower.
Oh, that's all I know about it.
No, over here you don't have to.
I don't. Oh, sweet Jesus.
Sweet Jesus crackers. Bro.
No, it's boy.
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 Alright, what you got? Man, watch what you say.
Or I saw in a video, this lady did not know that her jacket had a hole. Whole lot of style. Boy!
I don't want to smell it no more, okay? I already smelled the flowers.
Here, smell the elbow instead.
I don't want to smell your weenus.
What? Oh my god, my pants.
Oh my god, my pants.
Dude.
And you're caring about your pants. You're wearing work clothes.
Dude, I'm gonna have to change my pants again.
Girl.
Dude. I went to my grandma's and she doesn't like me getting dirty.
Oh well.
Not even just the slightest of dirt during PE.
Well, I'm a tomboy, so
Do that.
do that.
Stop. Oh my god.
I'm just cleaning your elbow off, dude. That's all.
Go grab.
No, sir.
My arm's tired.
Mouse.
What?
My arm's tired too.
I can't turn no more.
Oh yeah, and also, God damn. I also set up a GoFundMe app thing. I went on their website and I did that. So you guys will be able to do that. I'll put in a pin for that, so you guys could go be able to check that out. If you guys want to see me do more videos, definitely go check that out, because I'm definitely gonna need the help. I just lost my job yesterday over something really fucking small and stupid, but you know what, that's life, you know. So that's all I really can do for right now, is get money through that. So if you guys were to fund me on some money, I can do more projects. So if you guys want to see more videos, then definitely take a look at that. And then there's the starter. What's up, guys? I had to cut that video because, yeah, well, I'm back. I got the starter pulled out. Now, I have to go buy a new starter, which I did some pricing on it. It's going to be about $80 for a refurbished one. But, yeah, here's my dog, my lazy dog. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna, I made like a little website, or went to a website and I applied for it to see if I can be able to get more videos, more subscribers, more people, and then I can make some, get some money. But if you guys are interested in seeing me do more videos, and you want to see me do more stuff like this, more vloggings, more pretty much generally everything. So I went to GoFundMe. I will put a link in my description. I went to GoFundMe, and I set up an account on there. So I told them that I'm in the need of really needing the money, because I just recently lost my job. If you guys didn't catch that in the last video, but I just recently lost my job. I was working for Target warehouse over in Rialto here in California, and for some reason they said that due to my performance I'm not a fit worker or something like that, which it's a little BS. But currently don't have a job, so I won't be able to do as many videos as I like. But if you guys want to see me do more videos, and you guys want to see me do more things, and you want to see Pretty Bitch be able to be done, because I still need to get a welder for that. I need to get a welding machine so I can be able to weld a couple parts on Pretty Bitch, and then we'll go from there. But as of that, if you want to see me doing that, more videos, and you guys want to promote me to do more, or encourage me to do more videos, go on my GoFundMe account, follow me, find me some money. I'm not asking much, okay? Even if it's like a dollar every few months or something like that, that's the greatest thing I can ever ask for. So I'm not gonna say any more. I will put that subscription, or that link to my channel and onto this video, so you guys will be able to see that. But for sure, I'll try to get a video of me putting in my new starter. But if not, then I am sorry. I'll just see you guys in the next video for PB. So this is Fox James, and don't forget to subscribe, like, or comment. Hit that little bell on there when you subscribe, and stay tuned of watching me make videos. Peace out, guys.